Vicalungo, a stylish little shopping haven tucked between Milan and Turin. Roughly 50 kilometers from Milan and about 80 to 90 kilometers from Turin. It's located in the province of Novara in the small village of Vicalungo. We set off with confidence and good vibes, a long shopping list in our minds and a card in the pocket, ready for action. Right then, shopping, brace yourself. We drove, and finally, we arrived. The parking lot? Absolutely massive. Park wherever your heart desires. And the people, like it's the iPhone 17 launch. Clearly, we weren't the only ones hoping to refresh our wardrobe. And there it is, the outlet. Actually, it feels more like a full-on shopping village. There are so many shops you could get lost faster than in IKEA. Nike, Adidas, Guess, Tommy, Armani. Your eyes are all over the place. Your legs, not so much. We wandered around, soaking up the atmosphere, pretending to look for something specific. Discounts everywhere, upbeat music, the smell of coffee in the air, and people carrying bags bigger than their future plans. Everyone's enjoying the experience. Well, almost everyone. Shops? Check. Deals? Check. Good mood? Absolutely. Purchases? Not quite. The mission to upgrade the wardrobe officially failed, but in style. Honestly, the best stuff was already snapped up, and the only thing left in my size? Socks. But hey, shopping isn't always about buying. It's like going to the gym. It's the effort that counts. Vicalungo, you're a legend. We're definitely coming back. Who knows? Maybe next time we'll strike gold. And that's a wrap. The barrier goes up, the motorway calls, and we make one solid promise. Next time, we're coming back with a bigger boot.